What's up, y'all? Ben with Wallace Lawn Works. This one more so to my fellow Wright stander owners. I'm wondering, we've got a stripe kit right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they come stock with a stripe kit on them, right? Well, they also have another set of holes right here, where you can drop that down. But if you look, I cut everything at anywhere between 3.5 and 4. Now, that drops it down to roughly making the kit, what, an inch down for the stripe. That's 2 inches difference between that hole and that hole. I'm wondering, has anybody dropped it down? And if so, how's it done for you? Have you tore anything up? You know, I feel like if you're cutting something thick and you come off of, like, say, a driveway onto the actual turf, I'm wondering, does it tear it up? Like, kind of peel it back if you've dropped it down? Just trying to get some thoughts. Drop a comment. I got a mowing video, or I can blend with this, but it's more of a practice video, and stripes don't look very good because I'm all over the place in the video. But we'll see. I might add it, I might not. Let me know, guys.